home inspiration and outdoor styling. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have been dreaming about elevating your backyard into a functional, luxurious oasis that you can enjoy all year round, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the world of covered patio hardscape design. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking to renovate your existing outdoor space, this video will provide you with the ultimate roadmap to creating a breathtaking environment. We will cover what it means, why you need it, how to style it, and showcase the top 10 best design ideas using real-world inspiration. Let's get started. To kick things off, let's establish exactly what a covered patio hardscape design means. In the world of landscaping, hardscape refers to all the non-living, solid elements integrated into an outdoor environment. This includes structures made from stone, brick, concrete, wood, and metal. Therefore, a covered patio hardscape design is the intentional layout and construction of these permanent features, such as stone flooring, built-in outdoor kitchens, fireplaces, and retaining walls, all built beneath a protective overhead roof or pavilion structure. Unlike softscaping, which focuses on plants and lawns, hardscaping provides the foundational bones, structure, and architectural beauty of your outdoor living room. Investing in a well-thought-out covered patio hardscape design brings an array of incredible benefits to your lifestyle and your property value. First and foremost, it drastically extends your usable living space, effectively giving you a secondary family room or dining area completely open to the fresh air but shielded from the elements. The overhead structure protects you, your guests, and your high-end outdoor furniture from scorching sun, sudden rain showers, and morning dew, allowing for true year-round entertainment. Furthermore, hardscaped surfaces require significantly less maintenance than traditional lawns or high-maintenance wooden decks. They do not need mowing, frequent staining, or constant weeding. From a financial perspective, a professionally designed hardscape creates immense curb appeal and yields a high return on investment, making your home incredibly attractive to future buyers who view a luxury outdoor space as a major selling point. Decorating a covered patio hardscape requires a thoughtful balance between rugged structural elements and soft, inviting textures to create a cohesive, cozy atmosphere. Start by treating the space exactly like an indoor room. Define your functional zones using large, weather-resistant outdoor area rugs that introduce color and pattern while softening the hard stone or concrete underfoot. Layer your seating with deep, comfortable cushions in neutral tones, and inject personality through vibrant throw pillows and plush blankets that invite people to lounge. To contrast the solid masonry and brickwork, introduce organic warmth through strategically placed greenery, such as oversized potted palms, hanging ferns, or climbing vines along the pillars. Lighting plays a monumental role in the ambience. Complement your built-in ceiling fans and recessed spotlights with statement chandeliers, warm string lights, or sleek lanterns to establish a magical, glowing atmosphere after sunset. Finally, keep clutter at bay by utilizing multifunctional furniture, ensuring the architectural beauty of your hardscape remains the star of the show. To maximize both the utility and luxury of your hardscaped patio, you need to equip it with items designed to withstand the elements while delivering peak performance. Deep-seating sectional sofas made from premium all-weather wicker, cast aluminum, or marine-grade teak form the perfect foundation for relaxation. A built-in stainless steel grill or a complete outdoor kitchen setup with a mini fridge and stone countertops instantly upgrades your hosting capabilities. For climate control and comfort, high-quality ceiling fans are essential for circulating air on humid days, while integrated infrared patio heaters or a custom stone fire table can keep the space warm and inviting during cooler months. For entertainment, an outdoor-rated television housed in a protective weatherproof cabinet ensures you never miss a big game or movie night. Lastly, don't overlook finishing details like heavy-duty concrete planters, a high-quality sound system, and elegant glass candle hurricanes to tie the entire luxury aesthetic together. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best covered patio hardscape design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The ultimate outdoor entertainment hub. This design features a grand stone pillar pavilion complete with a fully equipped stainless steel outdoor kitchen grill station and a custom stone breakfast bar. The warmth of the stained wood tongue and groove ceiling beautifully contrasts the rugged brick pillars, while a central island houses an outdoor television inside a custom wooden cabinet, flanked by dual ceiling fans to keep the chef and guests cool during summer cookouts. 2. Enchanting gravel oasis with pergola dining. Embrace a rustic Mediterranean vibe with a sprawling pea gravel foundation anchored by a dark metal pergola structure. A massive, solid wood dining table sits comfortably beneath a canopy of mature olive trees, surrounded by stylish upholstered chairs. This look is perfect for those who want an organic, texture-rich hardscape that blends seamlessly with lush backyard greenery. 3. Cathedral ceiling luxury living room. This breathtaking design utilizes a soaring vaulted ceiling finished in light natural wood to create an incredibly airy and spacious outdoor pavilion. Below, a stone-tiled floor hosts a massive woven wicker sectional couch arranged around a matching dining set and a central chandelier, offering a perfect blueprint for blending a high-end living room and dining area under one roof. 4. English cottage wicker retreat under pergola. This intimate design highlights a traditional wooden pergola attached to a classic stone wall house, enveloped in romantic climbing vines and lush potted ferns. The hardscape features smooth concrete flooring paired with deep, comfortable gray wicker armchairs and warm wall-mounted coach lanterns, evoking the cozy, timeless feel of an English garden estate. 5. Poolside pavilion with dual lounging zones. A magnificent, clean-lined white pavilion structure sits adjacent to a pristine geometric swimming pool. The hardscape includes light-toned stone tiling that stretches seamlessly from an indoor-outdoor transitional living room, complete with plush white sofas and a colorful patterned rug, all the way to an outdoor fireplace cabana in the background, making it an ideal design for luxurious poolside hosting. 6. Lakeside stone fireplace pavilion. Overlooking a serene waterfront view, this covered patio centers around a massive floor-to-ceiling stacked stone fireplace featuring an integrated flat-screen television. The rich wood-paneled ceiling creates a cozy contrast with the gray geometric paver flooring, while elegant white and wood sofas face the hearth, offering a cozy retreat to watch the sunset by the fire. 7. Ultra-modern minimalist hardscape. For lovers of contemporary architecture, this design showcases a sleek, flat-roofed black metal structure with integrated warm linear spotlights. A minimalist concrete tile floor holds a sophisticated low-profile seating arrangement facing a sleek, modern linear fireplace wall, surrounded by perfectly manicured green privacy hedges and structural yellow floral accents. 8. Elevated flagstone porch with forest views. This design utilizes a beautiful multi-toned gray flagstone floor on an elevated porch attached to the main home. A rich, dark wood ceiling with recessed lighting shelters a cozy circle of gray wicker club chairs surrounding a rustic wooden coffee table, providing a seamless transition down a short set of stone steps into a wide-open, green backyard. 9. Rustic stone hearth and vaulted ceiling lounge. This warm and inviting space centers around a soaring wood-framed pavilion with prominent exposed beams and a spectacular stacked stone fireplace structure. Dual televisions are mounted on the walls for ultimate viewing angles, while comfortable wicker sofas dressed in bright turquoise and blue accent pillows add a vibrant splash of color against the natural stone and concrete floor. 10. Covered deck with integrated luxury hot tub. This multi-level hardscape masterpiece features a sprawling dark wood deck sheltered by a gorgeous light wood pavilion with exposed support beams. The design cleverly incorporates a fully functional outdoor kitchen bar area, a raised dining table, and a premium hot tub seamlessly built into the deck corner with step-integrated safety lighting, creating a true resort-like spa experience at home. As you can see, a covered patio hardscape design is one of the most rewarding investments you can make for your home. It bridges the gap between indoor luxury and outdoor freedom, providing a space where memories are made for years to come. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of stacked stone and exposed wood or the clean lines of modern minimalism, there is a hardscape design out there perfectly suited to your lifestyle. If you enjoyed checking out these incredible backyard transformations, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our weekly design inspiration updates. We want to hear from you. Which of the top 10 designs was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching Homes Decor Designs, and we will see you in the next video.